What's up, guys? LAX Model Airport here, showing you guys the new LAX Model Airport kind of entryway and sign here. I'd like to thank XXM 400 for 3D printing this for me. Got some signs here, parking lot on the way, a lot more to come, guys. This is just the beginning. People mover right here. Gonna try and get a blue one as well. I know we can see some tape on there, but we're gonna try and fix that, guys. But here it is. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna try and add some lights here too. A lot coming here. So I just wanted to show you guys what's happening here. I also have this garage. Pretty cool. Once it all comes together, I will have a layover layouts with the Uber lot right here. And this is just gonna look amazing, guys. Just once this is all done, when it all comes together, patience is key. But here it is, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe for more at LAX Model Airport on Instagram and LAX Model Airport 1/400 scale, 1/400 on TikTok. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Also wanted to show you guys this view right here. I think this is like the view right here with the train, the SkyTrain, LAX sign, and the billboards. And pretty soon you'll be able to see the airplanes in the background as well. Thanks, guys, and see you soon.